This is Mother Nature. You need to respect your mother. Consider picking up litter you find along the trail. The rule is to pack out anything you pack in. You should never step on anything you can step around. Stacking stones is simply vandalism. Don't do it. It can damage the animal ecosystem. You never know what critters are laying beneath. You should always be kind to Mother Nature and never play loud sounds outdoors. Let her sounds prevail. By protecting and celebrating the outdoors, we can find harmony with nature.